Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to create a Trustwallet account. For you to create a new wallet, you have to tap on this plus icon, then you create a new passcode. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use a general random passcode, which is 12345 another we have to confirm the passcode 12345 exactly. So you create a secret phrase for your passcode. If you like, you can back up. If you like, you can just skip. So we are going to skip. You can see our account has been set to go. You can enable notification if you want, and if you don't, you can disable. So here's our wallet, and you can use it anytime, any day, anytime. Thank you.